Hey guys, today we're gonna. Oh, sorry. We are gonna do this. I made this gacha start like earlier, or last night, or 2 nights ago. Oh gosh. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Looks like it's my turn. Oh gosh. May you please sit down? Okay. I wonder when is going to be me. It's so not preppy in here. Weird. Luckily it's done. Next. Next. Okay, jeez. Next. Mm. Wait, Mackie, can you come to my house? Okay, bye. Why is he so short? Uh, guys, oh my god. Guys, you see there's nothing. It's right there. The skin is right there. Okay. Glitcher. Glitcher time. Why did the ma'am say it's so not preppy in here? Mackie's mine. No way he has a motorcycle. OMG, he has one! I have to shut up. Someone might hear it. It, uh, someone might hear it. It will be so not preppy. My Uber. Oops. Oh my god. My Uber. Wait, guys. When he, when I take another screenshot, look, he changed his clothes. Uh, oh yeah, that's it. Bye guys, like and subscribe for more, for more, or I don't know. I don't know how many likes or subscribers for part 3. So, I mean part 2 pala. Bye.